evening for our segment, Pinoy Gosyante.
Yeah.
No, kasi our guest tonight will be talking about alternative sources of energy. You know how it is now with everyone getting into the environmental concerns as well. So this is the perfect time to look at other sources of energy na not harmful to the environment. Di ba, Lloyd? Oh, ano ba ang natin doon? Solar. Di ba? Sun.
Araw.
O, araw. Yan ang kailangan na gagamitin natin, di ba? Para mainit. Kasi iba yung mainit eh. Ibang hitag na lang. Anyway, baka mawala pa tayo. Anyway, with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the owner and president of Solar and Wind Electric Power Incorporated, Mr. Ferdy Raquel Santos. Hindi ko pili-ente. I was going to say the very good-looking and charming president in owner. I wanted them to see it for themselves.
Oh, no. Thank you.
In the show, we never lie, pare. Lahat sinasabi namin dito ang katotohanan. And welcome, ha, pare ko. Thank you for making time, ha?
Yeah, thank you also for inviting me.
Oh, alam mo, ano to eh, napakaganda nito kasi solar power and yung alternative sources of energy, yan ang ano na eh, pinaka-global concern na ito eh, hindi lang sa Pilipinas eh, no?
Right. Actually, about 6 years ago, natalisod lang naman ako dyan sa negosyong yan eh.
Ah, okay.
I just so happen I'm interested about renewable energy.
Okay.
And then we finally got distributorship for a brand called SunPower.
SunPower.
SunPower. SunPower is it's a US-based producer of solar panels. But they have a big facility here in Laguna.
Ah, okay.
So
okay.
they're practically locally produced. But the market is worldwide.
Ah,
and then we are the sole distributor for SunPower.
You are the sole exclusive distributor of the solar panels, SunPower.
SunPower.
Okay, let's talk about that muna. Let's talk about the product that you carry, pare, no? Under SWEP, no? Yung solar panels na yan, what are these? Para malaman nila.
Yeah, actually, this is not the solar water heater that some people think of.
Oh, ganun.
Pero nasa roof, no? This one is solar electric power. So what we do is we harness the sun rays and then the solar panels converts that into energy.
Electrical energy.
It becomes
to be precise.
Electric,
no?
Okay. Now this one, the solar panel is normally mounted on the roof. Okay. Although it can be mounted on the ground, but for residential, for houses, or even factories, they normally put it on the roof.
Para mas direct sunlight. Under direct sunlight.
Once you harvest the power, that power goes to what we call an inverter. Okay. Yung Meralco mo, meron ka pa rin kuryente. That Meralco na line still goes to that inverter.
Okay.
So ngayon, after the inverter, then you go to the tinatawag natin main distribution panel. Ito yung pinaka-main switch ng bahay. So that means, whatever requirements for power, it first gets the one that comes from the solar.
Ah, okay. Yun muna.
Yung muna. Pag nagkulang, tsaka ka nakukuha sa grid na tinatawag.
So, nangyayari niyan, essentially, nagiging backup mo lang yung Meralco power.
Right.
No? Yung ano.
Of course, this is during daytime.
Daytime lang.
Kasi sa gabi. Sa gabi wala araw.
Hindi ba siya hindi siya tawag dito, nag-store ng energy?
Meron tayong system that is equipped with batteries.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so you store the power in the batteries, and at night, that's what you use.
Ah, okay.
So, yun, may tatawag tayong hybrid wherein may batteries backup.
So, ito naman, upon request lang, no? Kung ano
It's a system. Kasi, ang company namin is actually, we call integrator.
Okay.
We sell the panels, and then we install the panels. We design how many system that you need or how much wattage you need in the system. And then, of course, we commission it. So, we do the whole package. So, if you're like, meron kang bahay, gusto mo magkaroon ng konting renewable energy, then you call us, then we make a proposal, and there's a system that is minimum.
Appropriate and tama.
Right,
for that. Okay, for yung on that note, what happens is if I want my house to be solarized, o diba? Or at least gamitin yung ano ng araw, I will call you and then I will tell you how much wattage I need for the whole house.
Right.
Or do you determine that for me?
Actually, it can go both ways. You tell us what you want, but there's also a minimum system package.
Okay. So what's the minimum system package?
System package would require you about 6 panels. Ang panels kasi yan, mga 0.8 meter by 1.6.
0.8 meters to 1.6.
Ito, sopa natin yan. Ito, mesa mo to. Practically, parang ganyan.
Okay.
So,
And
you
what
need
can that
6
power up?
And that would have about 1,300 watts. Kunyari, ang isang aircon kasi 1 horsepower, 670 watts yan eh.
Okay.
So may natitira ka pang mga 400 watts, no? Yung refrigerator mo, mga nasa 250 watts yan.
Oh.
Ang ilaw mo, yung mga natawag natin CFL,
Oh.
6 watts na lang yan eh, 7 watts. Malilit na lang.
Lalo kung LED pa ang gamit mo.
LED, nasa 2 watts ka na lang. So, gano'n, no? So, basically, yun ang pwede niya i-supply. So, pagka
So,
daytime,
one panel na sinasabi mo...
6 panels.
6 panels. Well, that's good for the basic necessities of a household, no?
Yes, oo. So, ibig sabihin, sa isang bahay, tumatakbo yung refrigerator mo, matakbo yung washing machine mo pag may naglalaba, or pag hindi ka naman nag-washing machine, magpa-plancha ka. So basically, yung daytime requirements mo, sapul na
Tapos na doon,
So
okay.
gagamitin mo na lang yung Meralco sa gabi.
Tama, Tama.
Ngayon, meron din naman tayo, kaya tinawag natin solar and wind. Meron din tayong another source of power, which
Yes,
is
I was going to get into that
wind
kasi
turbine.
nakikita ko yun yung sa commercial ni Bongbong Marcos, di ba? Meron saying wind na which is
Sa
actually
Bangi,
the
sa
old
Bangi.
way of doing it,
Right.
Di ba?
Yung malalaking ano yun.
Ay,
size
kailangan
yun.
mo na ng
1 megawatt ang isang poste nun.
Isang poste nun.
Isang wind
Kaya lang, the
turbine.
problem is, Ferdy, kung wala namang hangin, hindi siya mag-work, di ba?
Wala.
Sabagay, mahangin naman ako, so matayo na ako sa harap nun.
Right.
Baka ang iikot nun, baka hindi.
Pero yung sa mga bahay na ini-install natin, mga 1,000 watts, about 1.5 diameter lang, 1.5 meters diameter lang.
Okay na.
So, 1,000 watt ang isa naman. So, practically, pagka wala kang araw, nangyari may bagyo, walang araw, pero malakas naman ang hangin.
Malakas ang hangin. Well, God bless you, sir, for bringing this to the Philippines and to our, to our viewers. Solar and wind power. Okay, let's talk about the costing now. Yung minimum package cost, magkano, how much will it cost you?
Pagka yung mga generic type of solar panels, a system including the inverter, the cabling, the installation, will cost you about 470,000.
470,000. Okay.
Okay, so that's good for 1,300 watts with 6 panels. Okay. Now, basically, this system would fit practically any house.
Oh?
But sa bahay
Pero
kasi...
let's be, kung walo yun,
Anim na ba to?
So, kailangan yung clear, open space, no?
Nasa roof na walang natawag natin shading, sabi, walang punong katabi, na kasi pag na-shade, sayang eh. Hindi mo ma-fully harvest yung sun rays eh.
Right.
So, basically, ganun lang.
Pero, what are the maintenance requirements for this? Anyway, don't answer that, not just yet. We'll just pause for a moment. We'll get back. More of solar, wind, and power incorporated with, of course, a very charming and good-looking President Ferdy Raquel Santos. Stay with us in the Medyo Late Night Show.
De La Cuesta ka rin, De La Cuesta rin siya.
Siyempre, asawa ko siya eh.
Magkosang nagkaibigan ng lumayay, nagkalabuan.
Pahinga ako magkalastawa, basta matino.
Bakit hindi ba siya matino?
Alin? Matino ba yan? Tingnan mo. Lahat naman ng babae ko, para saan yan? Hindi matino.
Sino ba kasi itong parang nakawala sa koral?
Asawa ko nila ang din niya. Sa mata ng Diyos, malinis ako.
Oh, ito sera ka.
Hindi ganun ang usapan natin.
Face to Face, 10:45 a.m. sa TV5.
Ano ang nangyayari kadalasan sa mga makulit, pasaway, matigas ang ulo?
Pabaha,
Carlos alas 3. Oh, okay. Ililipat mo lang yan dito.
Kaya huwag nang matigas ang ulo. Dali, kahit isa! At manood ng
Ayop. Sa bagal. Hayop sa bagal to. Bilisan mo. Ayop! Sa galing!
Sabado, 8 p.m. sa TV5.
To Grand Monaco Realty Development Corporation, Buy and Sell Magazine, EMS Professional Light and Sound, Novo Hair, Golden Roots, Glory Splendor. Alright. Thank you very much. Welcome back to the program. Still a very good friend, Ferdy Raquel Santos of Solar and Wind Electric Power Inc. Okay, bago yung, before we go back to talking about solar, pare, ikaw you are not just charming with the sex appeal, you're also a dancer, pare, before, no?
Yeah.
Hello, yo. That's why you remind me of me. Pare, so inabot mo yung kina Archie Lacson.
Yeah, I used to dance sa Penthouse.
Oh,
Penthouse
sila Archie kasi good friends of mine sa yung time pa ng the original Penthouse.
Right,
Oh, after noon was the Penthouse Live, yung sa amin and then pumasok sila Martin. But yours were like
Right.
Archie Lacson time, no?
Right,
Oh, di ba? So,
Yes, mga 78 yun eh.
oh, mga
Hindi pa
78,
sila buhay.
79. Bumalik siya ba? Buha ko pa rin yung bata. Okay ba tayo? Pero dancing and music then was different, di ba?
Ay, oo.
Oh, di ba?
Iba.
Oh.
Ibang rhythm nun eh.
Oo, ibang rhythm, pati yung mga tugtugan natin
Right,
nung araw, di ba? Iba talaga. Well, times are changing, but okay lang. Anyway, let's go back to next time you can come back, pare ko, let's talk about that naman, no? Maiba naman. Let's talk about the 70s and the 80s.
Oo.
Di ba?
Pang-matronics na.
Ba, hindi pare. Yung sex appeal na andyan pa rin. Oh, di ba?
The moves.
The moves. Oh, the old school moves. Yun ang gusto nila eh, di ba? Anyway, meron tayong tinatawag dun sa parang one way of determining yung mga savings mo. When you get the solar power or turbine or the wind power, no? Meron yung tinatawag mo na TOU.
Time of use.
The time of use. Para explain mo nga yan.
Yeah, kasi sa Meralco, they provide this option of what you call time of use, wherein 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., mas mahal ang rate mo. Of course, pag 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. ng umaga, mas mura yon. Ngayon, yung peak and off-peak. Ngayon, pagka meron kang solar panel, of course, wala kang magamit sa Meralco.
Alright, right.
So, that brings or adds up savings. Actually, in a regular setup sa bahay, the solar panel normally provides you about 25 to 30%.
Okay.
Savings, okay? I'm talking about something like a house that normally would pay 21,000.
20,000,
Okay. Now, with the time of use, you gain another 15% more savings.
Okay.
Kasi actually, you're not using any Meralco power in the morning. You're using what you harness from the solar.
Correct.
So, pero at night, when you turn on your aircon, you sleep, mura naman. Okay. So, with that, 30 plus. So, practically 45%. So, that means if your normal rate of Meralco is about 21,000, now you pay only about 11 to
12,000. You can do so much with 8,000 savings every month.
Right.
Well, wow. Ang maganda nun talaga, apart from the savings that you get, you're also helping the environment, di ba?
Yes, actually, yung advocacy niya sa renewable energy. Kasi it's so nice and so you feel great when you use power na libre. I mean, you get it from renewable sources.
Right.
And of course, you're not paying for it.
Right.
Like, if I mention also if you buy a system, your return on investment would normally be around 6.5 years. But the panel, the system itself is good for 30 to 35 years.
Okay. Yun ang lifespan niya. But okay, before we will, how's the maintenance of all this? Is it easy to maintain?
Yeah, you don't-
Plug and play, pare ko, tapos na, ganun na.
You don't except once a year you just
Clean it.
clean the surface of the glass. Kung nasa Metro Manila ka, medyo you have to do it twice. But other than that, bird droppings lang ang inaano mo.
Okay. Wow. Great. Well, thank you very much, Ferdy.
Welcome.
Maganda talaga yun kasi again, it's not just savings, it's also saving the environment, no?
Yeah.
And God bless you, Solar, Wind, and Electric Power Inc. for giving us all these things, no? Solar power and wind power. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And Ferdy, talking about all natural, ito pare, all natural ito papakilala natin ngayon.
Botong-boto ako dyan. Mga bata tayo.
Oo, ito, mas mainit pa sa araw, ha? At mas mabango pa sa hangin. Please welcome on the program to dance to the tune of whatever it is. Ha? Kahit anong mga sayawin nyo, okay sa amin eh. Please welcome the DNG Dancers. Woo!
You should check that out. Maybe you ain't turn around. Maybe it's none of my business. But for now, work it out. Let's get this.
Nobody knows what I'm feeling inside. I find it so stupid, so why should I hide? That I love to make love to you, baby.
Make love to me.
So many ways wanna touch you tonight. I'm a big girl, but no secrets this time. Yeah, I love to make love to you, baby. This would be a perfect life. We'd be together. Only got just one life, it's our life. Who cares what they gonna say? I wanna
Yes, love. Next, dance. Yes, love.
I want you so much. Your lips taste like heaven, so why should I stop? Yeah, I love to make love to you, baby. This would be a perfect life. We'd be together. Only got just one life, it's our life. Who cares what they gonna say? I wanna
Miss Worldwide and the world's most beautiful woman. Modern day Hugh Hef, yes. Playboy to the death, yes. Is he really worldwide? Yes. Mommy, let me open your treasure chest. Play dates, we play mates. I'm the king of snatching queens. Checkmate. What you think? It's a rumor. I'm really out of this world. Moon, Luna. Make women comfortable, call me Bloomer. Can't even show love, cause they'll sue ya. But I tell them hallelujah, have a blessed day. So ahead of myself, every day's yesterday. Want the recipe? It's real simple. A little bit of holy, it's your open sesame. Now dreams, yes, love, next, dreams, yes, love, next.
This would be a perfect life. We'd be together. Only got just one life, it's our life. Who cares what they gonna say? I wanna dance. I wanna
What an amazing offer! DNG, dynamic and gorgeous dancers on the Metro Late Night Show. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Wow. Yun na, tapos na ba? Huwag mong punta. Dito na lang kayo. Dito na lang muna kayo. Join us. Anyway, that's all the show we have tonight. Men, thanks for watching. Of course, I'd like to thank Ferdy Raquel Santos of Solar Wind and Electric Power Incorporated. Thank you very much, Ferd. Thank you. And the ENG dancers, thank you. Alam mo, bonus na lang yung ganda eh, pero ang gagaling yung sumayaw. Another big round of applause to the ladies. Oh, no. Anyway, thank you very much. Momentarily, I always leave you with this note. Always do everything, friends, for the greater glory of God and for the service of man. Always love and always laugh. This has been the Medyo Late Night Show, and I'm Jojo A. Good morning, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.
Ikaw ang tadhana at ang kapalaran ko, okay?
Hindi ako mabuti para sa'yo at alam kong nasasaktan ka lang.
Dalawang pusong nagmamahalan na bunga pala ng madilim na nakaraan.
Nakita ko si Javier at nagbalik lahat ng kinatakutan ko.
Lupa si Marta at langit ako.
Pinagtatagahan niya si Gregorio maglungsod.
Sana sabihin mo ang totoo para kaawa mo na!
Isang babaeng inagawa ng asawa at ipinakulong ng walang sala. Isang lalaking nasilaw ng kayamanan at nabaon sa utang. Isang erederang nagpatong-patong ang panlilinlang para matago ang kasakiman.
Huwag hinahayaan malaman ang lihim natin.
Kahit anong pilit pagtakpan ang kasinungalingan, kahit nakalimutan pa ang nakalipas at magkaroon ng bagong simula.
Makikipagkita na ako kay Javier.
Sadyang darating ang pagkakataon para muling mag-cruise ang mga landas at maisakatuparan ang mapait na tadhana. Ngayon, dumating na ang panahon para lumabas ang katotohanan. Pagkakataon ng umanga ang dating tinatapakan.
Hindi na bura ng mga tawal kahit katitig ang pagkamuhi ko sa kanya.
At oras na para singilin ang tunay na may kasalanan.
Bakit mo ko sila?
I just don't like your face.
Kapag ang pag-ibig ay nilaso na ng paghihiganti,
Alam kong kilala mo kung sino ang tunay kong mga magulang.
sino-sino ang luluha.
Di naman po tayo sigurado kung buhay pa po ang nanay.
Buhay si Marta.
At sino ang talagang magwawagi.
Siya ang tatanggap ng pinakamabigat na parusa.
Subaybayan ang mas umiinit na mga tagpo ng pinakamadramang kwento ng pagmamahalan. Never Say Goodbye. Gabi-gabi, dito lamang sa TV5.